Hey, what's up, Tracy? Thank you for your comment. This comment just turned me up. I absolutely love the fact that you said that you are not tech savvy, because this is perfect for you. My personal mentor, the guy that brought me in, he's a 60-year-old man. And actually yesterday, he made $10,000 in May. I'm gonna pop up what he said here on the screen, and you'll be able to read it and see where he says that he's not tech savvy at all. See, the beautiful thing about this business is it's literally plug and play. So it's just getting some things connected, and the blueprint gives you step-by-step video instructions on how to make that happen. Congratulations on going back to nursing school. I know that probably took a lot of you. My mom's a nurse, so I know you're gonna do well with that. And just know also we have payment plan options as well. So if you have like Afterpay, Klarna, or Affirm, you can do a payment plan. And if you don't have that, those options are on my website as well. So shoot me any questions that you have at that email address that I'm going to send you information from once you visit this website. And I look forward to working with you. Peace, love, and positive vibes. And remember, just because you're 53, it don't mean nothing. You still got a whole lot of life to live. Peace.